What if you buy a house on Long Island and regret it? It's a real fear, more common than people admit. You close, you get the keys, and then a few weeks later you're lying in bed at 2 a.m. wondering if you made the biggest mistake of your life. I'm Eric Berman, a real estate agent here on Long Island, and yes, buyer's remorse happens, but let's unpack why it happens and, more importantly, what you can actually do about it. First, let's be honest. Long Island is expensive, taxes are high, inventory is tight, and homes don't always match what you saw on HGTV. Sometimes people fall in love with the idea of owning, and then reality hits. Maybe the commute is longer than expected. Maybe the repairs pile up. Maybe you didn't know your neighbor likes to mow the lawn at sunrise every Sunday. But here's the thing, regret often comes from surprise. Most buyers who feel regret weren't fully prepared going in. Maybe they rushed, got caught in a bidding war, or didn't think through the location beyond just the price tag. This is why I always tell buyers, before you fall in love with the kitchen, fall in love with the neighborhood. You can change countertops. You can't move a house away from a busy intersection or out of a flood zone or into a better school district after closing. Now, what if you're already in the house and second guessing everything? First, take a breath. Regret is normal, especially after a huge life decision. Give it 3 to 6 months, get settled, learn your routines. You might find that what felt like a mistake at first actually turns into something that works really well for your lifestyle. But if you're still not happy after a year, you're not stuck. You can sell, you can rent it out, or you can make strategic updates that change the way you feel about the space. I've worked with clients who thought they'd made a mistake, but with a few smart tweaks, like a kitchen refresh or a backyard renovation, they fell back in love with their home. The truth is, regret doesn't mean failure. It means you're paying attention, and it means you care about where you live, which is a good thing. It's just a signal that something needs adjusting, not a reason to panic. So if you're asking, what if I regret buying a house on Long Island? Know this, you're not alone, and there's always a way forward.